Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to introduce you to an AI coding assistant tool called K2 Sonnet, and it is recommended to use K2 Sonnet with Cloud Code. Why? Because if you use K2 Sonnet with Cloud Code, then it will make your programming journey more easier, faster and more affordable. Because using K2 Sonnet, you can build any website 2 to 3 times cheaper than Cloud Code. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Cloud Code and K2 Sonnet together to build a website from the very beginning, step by step. So here you need to come to this link k2sonnet.com. I'll give this link in the description. And here you can see Start Chat and API platform. Start Chat is basically like ChatGPT. You can just chat with K2 Sonnet as well. And here you can see API platform and documentation. So if you now click on documentation, it will tell you how you can use their API. And here you can see Cloud Code setup. So we are going to click over here Cloud Code setup, and in this tutorial we are going to build a Django website using K2 Sonnet and Cloud Code. You can build Django, Laravel, PHP, React, HTML, any kind of website using those. So here you can see Cloud Code setup. In order to set up the Cloud Code with K2 Sonnet, first of all, you need to have Git and Node.js installed. And here you can see it has given the link of Git and Node.js. So downloading and installing those software is really simple. Here you can see Git. I'm using Windows, so I need to download this and install it. And here for Node.js, I need to come over here, and here you can see Windows installer. I need to click on this and then install this. So I already have Git and Node.js installed. So I'll assume that you also have Git and Node.js installed. So once you have those installed, and you need to make sure that you do not modify the path. So just keep the default path whenever you are installing those. So after that, what you need to do is that here, if you have already Cloud Code installed, then you need to first uninstall this, then install it again. So I do not have Cloud Code installed, so I'm going to directly copy this since I already have Git and Node.js installed. So I'll copy this, then I'll go to the Windows search option, and this installation is for Windows. And if you are using Linux or Mac OS, here you can see this is the Linux and Mac OS installation guide. It is really simple. So since I am using Windows, so I'm going to show you the Windows step. So I'm just going to copy this, then go to the Windows search option, right over here CMD. It will show me the command prompt. I'll paste the command over here, then press enter, and it will install Cloud Code globally, because here you can see minus G means global. So right now I'm going to close this. After that, here it is telling us to set up our Windows system environment variable. And in order to set up the environment variable for K2 Sonnet, we need the K2 Sonnet API key. Here you can see. So let's go and create the API key. So here you can see API platform. So we need to click here, and there you can see I already built a website using K2 Sonnet, and I find it really useful. And here you can see we have the API key option over here. You need to click here, and I already have the API key here, but I'm going to show you how you can create an API key. So here you can see create API key option. So you need to click here, and you need to give your API key a name. So I'll just give a random name. Let's say here random name. You can name it anything. And here you need to give the token number. If you leave it blank, it means the token number will be unlimited. But I'm going to give a token number of, let's say, 1 million, and click here create API key. So 1 million API key will cost around $1.5. It may change depending on different time. So here you can see we are able to successfully create our API key. So right now we need to set up our environment variables. So we'll go to our Windows search option again, and we need to search over here environment variables. Here you can see. So I'm going to click here. Then here you can see environment variable option. Click on it. Then you will see this system variables option here, and here you can see new option or new button. So click on new, and here you can see variable name and variable value. So we need to copy this variable name, then paste it here, and the variable value will be this one, k2sonnet.com/api/cloudcode. So we'll copy this, paste it in the variable value, then click on OK. After that, here you can see end topic API key. So we'll copy this, go back to the system environment, then click on new, give the variable name, and what will be the variable value? The variable value will be your API key. So here you can see the API key, random name that I just give a random name. So here, if you now click here, it will be copied. This key will be copied. So we are going to paste it over here, variable value, then click on OK. After that, we need copy auth token. So we'll copy this again, go to system variable, click on new, paste the variable name, then we'll copy and paste the API key over here, click on OK, then click on OK here again, then click on OK. So our setup is done. So right now we are ready to create our project using Claude Code plus K2 Sonnet. So right now let me just go to my folder. Let's say I'll create a project over here. So we'll create a Django project. So let me just right click here, then click on new, then click on folder. Let's say the folder name will be, let's say we'll make a CRUD application using Django. Let's say here CRUD student app. You can name it anything basically. So let's go inside the folder. So after going inside the folder, we need to open a command prompt and we need to say over here only Cloud. So let's go to the folder, right over here CMD, press enter, and we're going to say over here Cloud, then press enter. So here you can see Entropic API key. So this is the K2 Sonnet API key. So do you want to use this API key? We are going to say here yes. Just select yes, then press enter. After that, here you need to write whatever project you want to build. So we want to build a Django project, code operation for students. So let's say here build a student code operation project using Django. So let's just keep it simple. We will just say this and press enter. So I'm just trying to show you how we can build a website using Claude Code and K2 Sonnet, and it will do its own thing. It will sometimes ask for permission for command and some editing. Just give the permission yes every time. And here you can see, do you want to proceed? And we're going to say here yes, but let's just do one thing, that is yes, and don't ask for pip command again. So it will give the Claude Code a different permission to run the command every time. So it will not ask for permission each time. So we'll choose the second option, then press enter. And here I am going to choose the second option again, press enter. And there you can see it already created the Django project structure. There you can see our project creation is complete, and it also run the project and it also give us a link. So let me just copy this link and we'll just paste it over here, press enter, and there you go. We have the simple code operation for student here. So let me just check whether it works or not. So here, if I now click on add new student, let's give the name. Let's say here yamin@gmail.com, and let's give the birth date. Say here 2017 March, whatever date. Grade 5, active student. Click here, create student, and there you go. It added successfully. So if I now click on students, here you can see, but it is not showing me the button properly. So we can just tell in the command that the action button not showing any text. So it will fix it for us. Press enter. And there you can see it is solved. So right now let me just refresh, and there you can see. So it added some default data. So let me just click here. So here you can see, and if I now can I edit it? Let's try it. Let's say here 9th. Click on update student, and it's done. So back to our list. Let's try to delete this one. Yes, delete student and it is deleted. So let's search it. Yeah, I mean, okay, searching is working as well. So if you want to make any changes, just tell the Cloud Code what to do and it will do it for you. So there you can see the Cloud Code and K2 Sonnet works properly and it doesn't charge much to create a website or create a app. So it did quite a decent, actually quite a good job. And if you want to change the design, you can do it really easily as well. So yeah, I will recommend you to use Cloud Code with K2 Sonnet. Using this, you can create any kind of website. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future AI tutorial.